Welcome to Electric Glide TV, where we explore the city on an electric unicycle and capture the pulse of transformation. Today we're gliding through a street that's been part of Denver's story for over a century, the newly reimagined 16th Street. Long before it became a pedestrian mall, 16th Street was Denver's commercial lifeline. It buzzed with streetcars, theaters, and department stores. But by the 1970s, traffic congestion and pollution were overwhelming the area, and the city needed a change. In 1982, Denver unveiled the 16th Street Mall, a bold pedestrian-friendly corridor designed by Patton-s. Its granite paving pattern, inspired by Navajo textiles and rattlesnake skin, gave the street a distinct identity rooted in the American West. Custom lighting, unique benches, and a free shuttle helped transform the space into a walkable, welcoming destination. It quickly became a symbol of Denver's urban spirit. But decades of use took their toll. Cracked pavers, outdated utilities, and shifting needs called for a major overhaul. Now, after a $175 million investment, the mall has been reborn. The city dug deep, literally, to replace aging infrastructure and reimagine the space for today's Denver. Full-grown trees now form a rare shade canopy in the heart of downtown. Wider sidewalks, new patios, and interactive art make the street more vibrant than ever. And what better way to explore it than on the veteran Patton-s electric unicycle? It's powerful, agile, and lets me cruise hands-free, perfect for filming, capturing moments, and connecting with the city. Every block offers something fresh: live music, beer gardens, play zones, and public art. It's not just a street anymore, it's a cultural corridor. Denver's 16th Street is more than a place to walk, it's a place to experience. So grab your UC, breathe in the fresh air, and glide through the city's living history. Cruising through Denver's historic 16th Street Mall on the veteran Patton-s electric unicycle, I explore a street that has shaped the city's identity for over a century. Nestled in the heart of the mile-high city, this vibrant corridor has evolved from a bustling commercial hub to a pedestrian-friendly destination filled with art, culture, and community. From its early days to its transformation in the 1980s by world-renowned architect Patton-s, and now its stunning revitalization, 16th Street tells a story of innovation and resilience. With wider walkways, mature trees, public art, and welcoming gathering spaces, the newly reimagined street is more than just a route, it's a place to connect and experience. Riding hands-free on the EUC lets me capture the energy of the city while gliding through its living history. If you enjoyed this journey, please like and subscribe for more Electric Glide TV adventures. And enjoy the rest of the ride through Denver's mile-high magic. This is Electric Glide TV. Explore, ride, capture.
no, it's open. It's still open. No, I'm going home actually, but it's going to be here at 11 itself.